Hey guys, how you doing? This is Joss, and in this video I just want to talk about the white ink circulation pump that a couple of customers have been asking me about it when they get damaged, if they need to replace the whole pump or they can maybe do something about it to fix it or switch the tubing. So it's going to depend how the pump is get damaged, because if it's the complete pump that stop function, so all the motor over here, basically you will need to replace the whole pump and just get a new one and connect the cables back there and then the tubing. But sometimes happens that depending how fast you have your printer circulating the ink, sometimes it's too fast or rough for the tubing, so the tubing inside start like scratching itself, or it's going too fast, so it can damage the tubing. So the pump is going to start leaking from this part over here. So when that happens, it's because the tubing it just got damaged. So what you can do to replace this tubing without replacing the whole pump, because the motor is still working, is just that this part over here is the one that is leaking. You're going to see clips in this part over here and also on the top and the bottom. Okay, so you want to first remove this part. You're going to take the left and right clips, just hold it right there, and then you're going to pull. The motor is going to come off, and then you're going to have this part. So at this point, this part is the one that if it's damaged, the tubing is causing the leaking. So you got this clip over here, and then you got this one. So just without broken it, just remove this part, and then you're going to have access to the full pump over here. So you can see you got 3 wheels that these when rotate this part over here. Let me see if I can do it. When this is rotating, this is the stuff that makes the inks move. So coming from the ink tank, go all the way and coming back to the line of the printer. So, and then the other line is going to be recirculating and coming back to the ink tank, and then from the ink tank coming back here and coming from this way. Okay, so that is how it works. So when you got a leak, so you need to replace the tubing. As you can see, you can take this part out. You're going to remove this one. I don't want to do it right now because, to be honest, I mean, it's not difficult, but at the same time, you need to have time and patience to remove this and put it back, okay? So you're going to remove this disc over here and the 3 wheels, and this got to be empty, and then you can actually remove the tubing. As you can see, you can pull it and remove that from there. So make sure you keep all these small parts. Don't throw it away or don't lose it, because then it's not going to work really nice for that. So then get this tubing, replace it with another one, the same length, just cut the new one, put it back underneath of these, put it back here in the green stuff. And once you have that, and you take the wheels with the disc, put it back, then you can close it. Just make sure that before you start putting back the pump, you can do this motion, rotate it, without any problem. Then get this part back. Clip on the bottom, clip on the top. You got it there. Take your pump again. Make sure these go straight in the middle. Just push it a little bit gentle there. Then the click on the bottom, on the left side, click and click, push it, and that's it. And you're going to have your pump working again. And that is how you replace the tubing when you have a leaking pump. Now, if your pump motor get damaged, then you will need to replace the whole part, unless you know electronics are willing to repair all these. But to be honest, for your time and all of that, it's better just to get a new one and you get over it for that and be done as fast as you can. So I hope this video or short video help you to understand better how the pump works. And if you need more of these, we have them on our website for sale. Or if you having leaking problems or anything like that, try what I just showed you and just replay your tubing and see if that works for you guys. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. As always, my name is Josh from Kingdom. Keep printing, guys. See ya.